With a signed proclamation at hand, he made the announcement, fresh from Russia.
I had to declare martial law in the Mindanao group of islands for a period that exceeding 60 days, effective as of May 23, 2017. The privilege of the writ of habeas corpus is likewise suspended.
The declaration covers Mindanao, even if the pressing threat from Maute is in Marawi. Apparently, the president has had enough of the series of attacks in the south, where even his home province of Davao was victimized by the same terror group last year. He says he won't hesitate to expand martial law's coverage, or if necessary, also extend the 60-day period.
If I think that the ISIS has already taken foothold also in Luzon, and terrorism is not really far behind, I might declare martial law throughout the country.
But for now, focus is in Mindanao. He's tasked AFP Chief of Staff Eduardo Año as martial law administrator, which means Año will have to wait a little longer before he can retire from the service and assume his task as DILG secretary. President Duterte stresses he will be harsh and his directives clear.
Remember that this is not intended for the law-abiding citizen. We are the least of your worry. But if you confront government, and my orders are, one, to enforce the law, and anyone caught possessing a gun and confronting us with violence, my orders are shoot to kill.
He says even civilians will be allowed to fight it out with terrorists, but with a condition.
If you are in a possession of a gun licensed by government, and in order to give you security and protect your family, you can bring it out. Just show your ID or your license, especially your license.
Curfew in select areas, checkpoints, searches, warrantless arrests. All these, he says, will be allowed in Mindanao. He likened his martial law declaration to that of former President Ferdinand Marcos's, but without the abuses.
Martial law of Mr. Marcos was very good. I warn everybody, everybody is everybody. The members of the military, police, and everyone, do not try to challenge government. No abuses of any kind. The courts are open. You can always go to the court.
President Duterte says he's willing to go to Marawi to talk with the terrorists. For now, he heads home to Davao, where he will monitor the first days of his martial law declaration. Ina Andolong, CNN Philippines.